Hello, my name is Bob Ragasta. I'm president of Ragasta Consultants, CMG America. I represent CMG, a company that manufactures in Bologna, Italy, of the highest quality granulators and shredders. Been in business about 32 years and have about 40 full-time employers just dedicated to the design, building, and engineering of highest quality granulators and shredders. As far as my own background, I have about 35 years in this business as a design engineer, applications engineer, marketing manager, sales manager, and product manager. So I've been around this equipment a long time, and what CMG has developed is a brand new single shaft shredder that is truly unique from other machines on the market. Because of the experience they've had building high quality granulators as far as getting precision rotor alignment, they've taken the engineering skills and application skills and developed a single shaft shredder that's unique in that it can cut with much closer knife tolerances. What that means is that it can process hard, friable materials. It can also process soft, flexible materials, which is a little bit unique. Also film fiber, high density polyethylene, PET, and one of the most difficult materials is the thermoplastic rubbers. Now, what's unique about this machine is, again, it's design, it's machine bolted and dowel construction, machine bearing housings, line board for precision rotor alignment. The rotor is an 8620 steel, machined. We don't use forging or casting. The cutters are positioned in the rotor itself, and it's held in place with holders. These holders can then be replaced if there's a damage. It's not welded in place. It can be easily removed and replaced. The cutters have 4 cutting edges, and they're recessed in the rotor in a way that you only expose one cutting edge. So the other 3 cutting edges of the cutter are protected. The unique design of this machine is patent pending. The rotor itself, the way the cutters are positioned, the design of the cutters, we're able to hold a very close knife tolerance of about 7 thousandths. Now what that means, it cuts very similar to a granulator. So it's really a hybrid. It's a hybrid single shaft shredder. The granulator normally runs about 400 to 500 RPM and using the inertia to cut through heavy plastics, requiring high horsepower. With this machine, with only 25 horsepower as opposed to 100 horsepower, we can do the same application. Now what's different here is it's a high torque, low speed cutting action, and it's nibbling away at purgings or film and fiber and processing through a screen. Now the screen fits in place in a drop-down cradle. It's easy to access. The screens can be interchanged, and it's a very simple machine to work on. The design of this is such that you can literally load the entire feed hopper with material and press the button. What happens is a hydraulic ram pushes material into the cutters, and it's sensing if there's too much load, it backs away. If it's not enough, it can be moved forward. There are settings to allow that ram to be a little more aggressive to give you a little maximum throughput. But with this one design, we can do film, we can do fiber, we can do wire and cable, we can do nylon rope, carpeting, high-density polyethylene, and one of the most difficult is thermoplastic rubber. And I literally filled the entire hopper up of this machine, which is a 25 horsepower, and ran this material, thermoplastic rubber, and I brought it down to a 3/8 screen. Now normally a shredder is good for about a 2-inch, 1.5-inch, but I was able to run this material with a 3/8 screen, running the entire hopper of material with no heat buildup on the rotor, no heat smearing of material on the screen, and it processed into a pellet size that was able to be reprocessed without granulating. Now, a lot of materials may require two-stage, but to prove the point of the design of this, it was able to run this material, which is extremely difficult, and getting it down to a 3/8 particle size, which is totally unique. We've also successfully run film, we've run latex foam, polyurethane foam, high-density polyethylene, nylon rope, carpeting material, also a polypropylene fiber, wire and cable, PET chunks, and all again with the same rotor design, the same machine. The other unique design of this is that the drive system is a planetary gear arrangement as opposed to a parallel shaft drive or a right angle drive. It is protected with a torque limiter and also is belt driven, which further protects the drive system itself. So all of these components equal a machine that's really high quality. These machines are designed to the highest ISO 9001-2008 specifications, which means each piece is inspected 100%, and it's built with very strong sidewalls for excellent structural integrity. So energy savings, the ability to do a wide variety of materials is the trademark of this new design. I'm calling it a hybrid because it really, in some applications, you may be able to take it down to one stage and not require a second granulation stage. The evacuation can be either belt conveyor, auger conveyor, by blower, very versatile. The hopper itself is unique. It is a bolted design which gives you some flexibility to put conveyors in front, left side, rear. So very versatile, very simple to operate, a good design for easy positioning of the screen. The screens can be reversed for 180 degrees, doubling the screen life, and it's proven itself time and time again. We are outperforming the competition in many, many areas. Nylon rope, for example, very, very difficult. Polycarbonate sheet, very, very difficult. We're able to process these machines. Right now there's 4 sizes. The 24-24 is this one, the smallest of them all, 25 horsepower. The next is a 36-36, which is 40 horsepower. A little bit larger is the 48 by 48 with 75 horsepower. And the newest one is a 60 by 60 with 125 horsepower. All basically with the same design concept. The real key to the cutting action is the close knife tolerance between the cutter and the bed knife itself. Grinding the material up, which the screen sizes it, drops it down, and it's a very energy efficient, cost efficient way of processing the different materials. This machine is the smallest, again 25 horsepower, and I did run a full Gaylord, full hopper of this thermoplastic rubber, and this would sell for around $30,000, $32,000 range. So for more information, please give me a call at 401-440-8260. We're glad to run any tests. We're glad to have you visit, and we have a number of test videos we'll be putting up on the website as well as on YouTube itself. So again, a totally unique design where CMG has really outdone themselves on this. Years of experience in granulating design and manufacturing applications have put this machine together, and I'm very proud to represent them in the U.S. So again, please give me a call at any time, and I'm very happy to say that it's the innovation and experience that really makes this machine unique. Thank you.